from the inside out. It has our most powerful powered by the supercharged A18 Pro with a new 16-core neural engine and a new 6-core GPU for enhanced Pro chip and our most advanced camera system. A new powerful private personal intelligence system deeply integrated into your phone and across your apps to help you get things done effortlessly. You can describe a photo you took years ago, and Apple Intelligence will find it. It'll summarize an email thread to give you the most important information, and it gives Siri perfect Genmoji. It also drives the new camera control, a blend of hardware and software innovation. You can easily access your camera, change settings, and take a photo. As well as the 48-megapixel Fusion camera, there's a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera for even higher resolution macro photography, 120 frames per second in Dolby Vision. So you can capture and edit cinematic slow motion with an intuitive new camera control. Plus thinner borders for our largest ever display. The next generation of iPhone starts now. This is iPhone 16 Pro with Apple Intelligence. Powerful, innovative, from the inside out. This is iPhone 16 Pro.